Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. A surprising development has just rippled through the drone community. Under the radar, a sharp and detailed image has appeared online, allegedly showing the official retail packaging of the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. This leak, first shared by reliable drone tipster Jasper Ellens on X, has sparked immediate speculation. The story goes that the photo may have been taken during an internal print run at DJI's own production line. Whether it was an accidental slip or a calculated teaser for drone fans, it's the kind of find that sets forums and social feeds buzzing. The box design looks entirely legitimate, hinting that the launch could be just around the corner. Why the Mini 5 Pro? Could change the game. The Mini 4 Pro left many enthusiasts wanting more, as it felt more like a light refresh than a bold leap forward. By contrast, the Mini 5 Pro seems positioned to push boundaries in portability, imaging power, and creator-friendly tools. This is especially important for audiences searching for ultralight drones, travel-friendly camera drones, pocket-sized, aerial filmmakers, and next-level content creation gear. A major sensor upgrade. 1-inch CMOS headline specification is a major shift. Reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro will feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is the sort of hardware normally reserved for larger, more expensive drones, and it could bring a dramatic boost in image quality. Expect richer colors, cleaner shadows, and far better low-light performance ski for golden hour landscapes or dim twilight city shots compared to the Mini 4 Pro's smaller sensor. This is a leap that could make the Mini 5 Pro a serious contender for professional-grade footage on the go. Cinematic power. 4K at 120 FPS. Video creators will appreciate another big upgrade. 4K recording at 120 frames per second. This enables ultra-smooth slow-motion shots without sacrificing resolution. It's an ideal match for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or cinematic B-roll sequences. Keywords like high frame rate drone video, slow motion, aerial shots, and vertical content ready fit perfectly here. As DJI is clearly targeting creators who want both quality and flexibility, gimbal and vertical video enhancements. The gimbal design is also said to be more versatile, allowing rotation up to 225, unlocking new creative moves like dynamic undershoots or dramatic upward pans. Most importantly, true vertical video capture is expected. No cropping or post-production adjustments required. This is a genuine time saver for social media work, letting you capture Instagram and TikTok-ready footage directly in flight. High resolution stills and telephoto reach for photography enthusiasts. The drone is rumored to deliver for 8MP still images, along with a mid-telephoto mode that provides zoom capability without major quality loss. From capturing distant peaks to detailed architectural shots, this opens up more options for crisp, high-impact aerial imagery, smarter obstacle avoidance, even at night. 10, a first for DJI's ultralight line. The Mini 5 Pro could include a front-facing auxiliary light sensor to enhance obstacle detection in low-light conditions. This means better safety for evening flights and more confidence for beginners or solo pilots shooting at dawn or dusk. Active Track upgrades. DJI's Active Track system is reportedly receiving a boost, with better tracking for fast-moving subjects like runners, cyclists, and pets. For solo adventurers, this means you can set the drone to follow you while you focus on the action, producing polished tracking shots without extra help. Longer flights, slightly flight time, is expected to rise modestly to 36 minutes per charge. While not a huge jump, when paired with the upgraded imaging and tracking features, it gives creators a bit more breathing room to nail the perfect shot. The weight question, under 249g or not? The leaked packaging calls the Mini 5 Pro ultralight and foldable, but doesn't state the exact weight. The 249 grams threshold is important for pilots in countries with weight-based drone rules. If DJI can keep it under that mark, it will remain drone law-friendly in many regions. If not, there's speculation about a heavier Mini 5 Pro Plus version offering extended features at the cost of stricter regulations. How it stacks. Up to previous models, the Mini 3 Pro earned praise for blending portability with 4060 FPS and 4.8MP stills, while the Mini 4 Pro added refinements without revolutionizing the experience. The Mini 5 Pro, on the other hand, appears to raise the ceiling better sensor, higher frame rate video, enhanced tracking, and a more adaptable gimbal. For creators seeking professional-level portability, cinematic B-roll drones, and automated solo filming tools, this could be DJI's most compelling compact model yet, with a confirmed leak of the retail box and a feature set that ticks nearly every box for content creators. The DJI Mini 5 Pro looks ready to redefine what an ultralight drone can deliver. Now the countdown begins to see if DJI can meet the hype, whether they'll keep it under the magic 249 grams limit.